Hey guys, welcome to LakinItEasy. This is just a quick tutorial on the outdoor kitchen and grilling area. Just twist that knob, pull your door panel up. You will have your connection for the propane here. Flip your grilling surface over, and then this connector will connect into right here. Once that is connected to that portion, then your line will run to this connector here. And you just push that back, plug it in, and you're good to go. Oh, and once connected, then flip your valves that way, and that will get the gas flowing. Same thing for the valve here. Make sure that that is pulled down or pushed up, I'm sorry. Then that will have your propane flowing. Another very important, this is, I'm 5'9" and I barely clear it. So please watch your head on this as it is a little low.